Hey everybody, it's Evelyn. I'm back with a show and tell. I'm just going to show you a technique that I've been working on. I'm going nuts with these Dollar Tree signs, like the ornaments. I wish I had did the before and after. I kind of finish it off, but I definitely would try my best to put it between the videos. If I can, I definitely will have it at the end of the video what the one that I'm working right now, what it looked like before this. I'm just going to show you a few techniques, not a few, but just one technique, how I get to make it look real. I'm going to show you one that I already finished. How pretty, guys. This is not the ornament that's oval. This is the one that is round. I haven't seen the oval one. I'm dying to get my hands on it. Even though I have a big die cut ornament, but it has a hole in the middle. And the one that they sell in Dollar Tree is a complete ornament, and it's oval. Real pretty. But guys, look at this. Look how pretty. And I wish you could, let me bring close up. I'm not sure. But definitely you see, and if you in real life, it looks even prettier because it looks so real that I actually put pieces wood together the way I made the glue inside. So I'm going to show you how I did that, but I just want to show you how pretty. I got the little truck and I decided to put it there, and I got these from the Dollar Tree, the little small Christmas tree. I didn't like what the one that they had on it. It was like a bluish color. It was this one right here. Let me see if I can put it next to it. See the color of it? It's not my taste. So I decided to use the one that is on Dollar Tree. And then just color up some little reeds that I have some leftovers from the Dollar Tree. The one that comes in a plastic bag, long, like these. I just like, they come like this, but long. I don't know, it kind of looks so dark in here every time I go up. It's my lighting. I always tell myself to try this video in the daytime, come much better. But anyway, I did 2 of these, okay? And then I'm going to show you my other one that I just finished. But I'm so glad that I was able to get more than this. I can show you what it looked like. This is the truck, the red truck that everyone is getting their hands on. Ooh, well, I got like 6 of them. It's because I was going to work on the project that I already thought of it, and I already got it completed, so I'm going to share that with you. So this is the design. Dollar Tree, guys, you gotta get your hands on it. Okay, these are going to be flying away because I don't got them glued down, but this is my truck, my red truck, and I'm going to take it off from here because I'm going to show you what I did. I used their Christmas tree. I took it apart because, as we know, hold on, let me see. You see this right here? This one, I took it apart. You could take some of these, if you wanted to make a shorter truck, you could actually do it. And I might, if I do it, I'll show you how I did mine. Because I think I'm going to make one more 3D truck like this. I always have to make it in twos. I don't know why. But anyway, I took my tree and I started wrapping up. Let me see, Dollar Trees. I'm going to get it. Because you know what? I'm going to keep on. It's this right here. See the pack right here? And they come 12 pieces wire garland tied. I guess they tie up for something, but I use mine around the Christmas tree. Then I kind of sprayed some snow on it. And then I took this piece right here. Everything is here from Dollar Tree, but you know, you separate these little balls and you can probably put some little, like, make it look like ornaments. Then I took some jewel, make a little bow tie on it with a little piece of jewels that I also had. So this is my Christmas tree, and I also bought some of these metal parts, and the way I have it inside, but before I show you that, you see what's inside? It's just a cup. I made my own box. All I do is 3 pieces of boxes. I'm going to turn it over so you can see. I made a piece of cardstock, 3 pieces, and I just made a box. It's just plain and simple because I just wanted the back side to show. But I'm going to show you guys what I also did, because when you put these cards together, you're going to miss out. It's going to be like a cardboard, like the back of this. This is how it's going to look. If I would have had not painted, this is exactly what my truck would have looked like. So if you were to turn around and put them together, You're going to get the front, and then if you're going to make a 3D, it's going to be facing, the color's going to be facing you. There's no way that you could turn it. So what I did, I took the back of it and I actually painted, I got to paint this red because I had it this color silver and I didn't like it. So I went ahead and changed, I painted over. So I forgot to do this side, but that's okay. I just want to give you guys an idea what I did. So what I traced, this is a piece of cardstock. I actually, you know, my circle punch, I made it as close as the one that looks like this. So I used some punches, and of course this piece right here that goes around the wheel, it comes apart. So I traced it around, got a few of them so I can make my other ones in the back. So if I do another one like this, I can do the same thing. So if it happened to, you know, this is the right way. Let me show you. Now you see inside here, this is right here. This is the original design because there's no way that you can turn it that way. It's only come one way and then the back of it. So I just went ahead and color it in to make it exactly the same. So if it turns around, I won't feel bad because it won't be like the cardboard would show. So that just gives you a nice little tip. You can do that also, guys. And this is my 3D. I'm going to make one more of it because I always got to make them as a set. So I put a little bow, a Dollar Tree bow, because I could have left it with anything, but it's okay, it worked out. Then I took one of these little things, Santa Claus. I got the snowman, which I'm going to put in my other truck. And then I took my Christmas tree after I decorated, and I'm going to put it behind here. So this is exactly what it's going to look like. I'll have a picture. I always take pictures in the end of the video so you can get a nice look at it. But this is my truck, just to share. This is what I did. Okay, and I also have other designs. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you guys. These designs are driving me up the walls, but I'm going to share it with you guys. I should have gotten everything ready. I'm sorry. I wish I can pause this. You guys can rewind this forward so you get to the good part. Remember this one that I did a video on it? My sled. This is what it was before. So I'm glad that, you know, I'm doing this video so I can show you what it originally looked like. This is the one. I'm making one for my daughter. My two daughters, they want one. So that's why I had to go and find these two. But look how beautiful these designs are. Look, I got this one. So I'm definitely going to work it, make it look pretty, not the way you're going to see. Hopefully this piece also come apart. So I'm going to play with it. And once I play with it, I'll show you what these going to look like. So I bought two of them, two of each. And I got this Santa. Look how cute, guys. You gotta go. I'm telling you. I was so glad because they were already stocking up these things. So I ran. There was plenty of people behind me too. But I got two of each because I'm going to work on this one. I'm probably going to use this on top of one of those designs that I have. All the ones that I'm showing to you. I'm not sure, but I love it. Look at this one here. Ain't that beautiful? Alone like this is so pretty. If I decide to keep it like this, I would ruffle this up around it just to make it look something. If not, then it's going to just stay like this under my tree. So I got two of those. And I just love the snowman. Look at the snowman, guys. Oh, I just love it. Love it. I'm definitely going to keep him. I'm probably going to wipe out these words and make some 3D dimension so it can pop up. So this is definitely going to be under my Christmas tree. Mostly all the designs that I make is definitely because my fireplace is already packed with stuff that I made. I don't know if I ever showed my old video of what my house looked like. I'm telling you, it looks like Wonderland Christmas, all icy and beautiful. I go all out on Christmas time because I love it. All right, so I'm going to show you how I get my realistic wood, which it looks like this. You see this here, guys? Look. This actually cracks. In person, it looks like I put plywood to make this. Really, it looks. That's how I try to make it on all of them. That's exactly what I did. with this one too. I actually make it look realistic, like it was a piece of wood that I put together. So anyway, the way I'm doing this, and let me see if I can go closer. Hold on. Let me see if I know how to do this because, oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So what I did first, I took a ruler and I drew some lines first with a pencil. So it depends how many. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I drew 4 lines. I know this one here, I did 3. No. Oh, no, I did 4 too. Okay, because it's just way in the top. I guess it depends. You know, when you first start your first line, then you take it from there. But I try to equal them out so they're like 2 inches wide. So that's how I did first. So after I got the line, then I took my second knife and I started going over the lines. And what I did, which I'm going to show you on this one here, doesn't have anything. So I'm going to dig in and follow that line, and I'm going to go straight down. So I have my first little split. And then I'm going to go over it. For some reason, I never make a straight line. But this is good for this technique that I'm doing, because once I see that I'm going off the line, I go back and I repeat it. And then I go to another, where the line originally is, I go over that one. And then I start peeling them off. Let me try this. You see how they start coming out? You get little pieces of little woods like this. So that's what I do. I go again. And then if I see that my lines, I keep on repeating on my same line, then I just make a little curve. And then I dig in so I can pull that out. And then I lift it up. You see how it looks? And that's exactly what you want to do. So that's what I'm going to repeat in each one of them. So that's how I make my ornaments look like plywood that I put together. So I just wanted to share this little techniques with you guys. And all I've been using for the paint is I have this here, the chalk from Art Minds. I love this. Oh God, I love chalk paint. I got the matte acrylic Tisa. I just really, oh, it's a crystal blue. I'm sorry, crystal blue chalk by Art Minds. So I got that one. This one is a little different. I got the Ivy, and this one is by Willie. I can't pronounce that, but you guys see what I'm talking about. All right. And I got this is the blush color. I love this because it's like I can make it look like your complexion by darkening it up. You know, you got to play with the color because it looks, from the camera, it looks very pink, but it's not. It's really blush color. And so that's what, today I used this one, using this, the Trillis Gray. This is this one right here. So pretty. And then I brushed it with this one here, the Ivy chalk color. I kind of brushed it off so it can give me an old wood technique, kind of. Give it that look like it's, oh, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, so that's it. Once I'm finished working on this, I'll have a picture in the end of the video of what I actually showed you, and just try to do my best to describe what I did. And that's about it. So thank you for stopping by, watching my channel. For those that just stumbled over to my channel, please subscribe. If you like, thumbs up like everybody else. Any comments, and you know, it was nice to see a few people say something. You know, it would be really, really nice. And that's it. I have, later on, I'm going to do giveaways, because honestly speaking, I got too much stuff. When I say too much stuff, too much. So I'm going, probably maybe after the holidays or maybe during the holidays, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to do a giveaway. So I really hope for those that peek to my channel, try to, you know, try to keep on watching, and you'll be surprised. I just have a few people, so you'll probably be the lucky person to win something. My channel is not a big channel. It's very small, and I don't mind, because I do this because I love to do this. I love doing crafting, and I just don't like just talking to myself. I mean, which I'm doing right now because I'm videotaping, but It's nice to share what you love to do. I guess that's the bottom line. So, okay, thank you so much. And if I could find my remote to shut you down, you have a good one. God bless.